Today I share with you all perfect way you can prep your pepper mix for that smoky jollof rice and stew. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Have some tomato, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, onion, ginger and garlic and chili pepper. I've already washed everything thoroughly. They are perfectly clean. I'm going to set it aside and then I will start cutting everything into small pieces. And the reason why I'm cutting it is just to see the inside, whether they are good or they are not. Alright? After cutting all the pepper, this is what I have here. I set them on the oven tray and then I went ahead and add a little bit of oil to that. I'm going to transfer it into the oven and allow to bake. And while it's in the oven baking, it requires a little bit of time, alright? Because the tomato and the pepper, they will boil first before they started baking. So it requires a little bit of patience. This is about an hour plus later and the pepper is perfectly baked to my liking right now. You guys, it looks so good guys, and it smells so divine. It smells absolutely amazing. I'm going to transfer it into the blender right now and go ahead and blend it. You can blend it very smooth or roughly, but I'm going to blend it not too smooth, not too rough, in between. Alright, and I have another video on how you can prep and store your pepper mix. The link will pop up right now. If you're interested, you can check it out. Once I'm done blending the pepper, I'm going to transfer it into this container and then store it in a deep freezer. When I need it, I will just bring it out. You can store it in the fridge if you will use it within a couple of days. But if you want to store it for a longer period of time, I would advise you store it in the freezer. And trust me, this is only pepper mix that you need for this Christmas. It tastes absolutely delicious, guys. You can use it for your jollof rice, for your stew, for your egusi, for your eforiyo. Hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.